Hey guys, so in this video today I just kind of want to talk about promoting the One Funnel Away Challenge and just kind of like a ninja way that I've seen this done and how I've kind of learned and adapted this myself. So this uses kind of two methods that I've seen, and one of them is from a guy named Doug Botten, and I learned this method or saw this method first used by him as far as his Facebook profile. So what he does is goes and alters his Facebook banner so that it's essentially got enough information. It's got a text description of the link that they should go to sign up for whatever his offer is. In his case, his offer was joining over to his Facebook group where he was promoting the One Funnel Away Challenge, and it worked out really, really good for him. And then I kind of mashed that up with this other method that I learned from the Traffic Secrets promotion. Because I've had a lot of time in my hands, I've been on Facebook a lot, and I've seen a lot of people promoting the Traffic Secrets book and offering just like a ton of bonuses in regards to it. So I actually bought the book twice because the bonuses were so good from all these different affiliate marketers. But the one that I did buy from Stephen Larson, he has a bonus in there from a guy named Blake Newbar, and he talks about how to go and apply that same type of principle to essentially create what he calls a Facebook funnel. So you set up and alter your profile in such a way that it's essentially a jumping off point for whatever sales funnel you want, like free traffic from Facebook to go, so that every time you post and somebody's like, oh, that was clever or interesting or whatever, and they put their mouse over your name and they see your banner and it intrigues them and they click on it, and that starts them down the path, and you can go and promote whatever you want. In this case, if you don't have something to promote, if you're like me and you want to promote the One Funnel Challenge, you can go to my Facebook profile and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, right? So whether it's my name or the banner or info about me, it's all designed to point to the One Funnel Away Challenge. If you go to ShawnBayley.com/challenge, you can see that's where I've got everything kind of pointing to. So I've got my own case study bonuses and what I've done to promote the One Funnel Challenge in my own regard. So you want to go and find your own kind of hook or offer or way that you want to promote the One Funnel Challenge. But this way you can go and use like a big social media giant like Facebook. And if you're in a lot of groups, if you're actually active on there and you use Facebook a lot, I think you'll agree that it's like a really awesome way to get traffic, to do whatever promotions that you want through using one of these Facebook funnels. So go check it out. Go over to mine if you want to see how I'm promoting it. Go over to my Facebook profile or go to ShawnBayley.com/challenge, and you can see how I'm promoting it as far as the bonuses and what I'm doing to promote the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I will see you in the next video.